Hey, this is Glenn from Cougar Chemical. Today I'm going to be talking to you today about our 152 Super Degreaser. This is our best-selling degreaser that we have. This degreaser is multi-purpose. A lot of people use it for cleaning engines, which is what I'll show you today. We can also use this for rims and tires as well as a good degreaser. Diluted further, this is a great bug remover and pre-treat right before you go through a drive-through car wash, or just as a pre-treat before you wash your car by yourself. All right, let me show you how to dilute it. I have an unlabeled bottle here, so no markings on it. You're going to want to use a Cougar or any other brand. You want to use a Cougar measuring cup. Going to fill 8 ounces up for your motor and engine degreaser. 8 ounces in, the rest is going to be with water in this 32-ounce bottle. All right, I'll use a funnel and funnel it into here, the rest with water. You're going to want to spray the engine down with your pressure washer or your garden hose, either way. Spray the engine wet, and then you're going to apply your degreaser straight on. Make sure to wear gloves just for safety, and then you're going to pressure wash off. Easy as that.